Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to talk about how to use Cisco OpenDNS to secure your internet connection, set up some controls, and even monitor your internet usage. This can be easily set up and is completely free to use. At first, you need to visit the Cisco OpenDNS website in your browser. The link to open up the website is provided in the description box. Then, make an account in the website by filling up the details in the sign up page. Ensure you provide correct details, since this account will be used to set up, control, and monitor your network. Once you finish sign up process, you will receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox to find the email and then verify the account by clicking the link. Please note that here I am showing a testing email and you may use your actual email account for the setup. Please note that the username will be the email ID used to register the account. Once you click on the link or browse the link, you will be taken to the dashboard of the OpenDNS account. The dashboard gives you the options to add your network and then control it and monitor it. Now that the account is set up, we will show you steps to set up your network and then use an agent for Windows PC to dynamically update your internet public IP address in your OpenDNS account. First, log into your OpenDNS dashboard and then set up your network. The link to log into OpenDNS dashboard is provided in the description box. You can see the current public IP address of your internet connection on top of the page. Click on Add a Network and verify the IP address in both the fields are matching. When you click of Add this network, your current public IP address gets registered to your account. And in order to identify the network, you can give it a friendly name. We recommend to download the OpenDNS Updater for Windows PC and then install it. Make sure you mark it as safe. Also, while running, make sure you run the updater as an administrator. When the updater is run, you need to give the account details and network name and click on Update Now. Now we need to set up the DNS servers of Windows PC. For that, right-click on your network icon in taskbar and open Network Settings. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your network adapter and then go to Properties. Find and double-click on TCP/IPv4 and change DNS server settings. You will have to type in the OpenDNS server IP addresses, which you can find the Cisco OpenDNS website. For better results, you may find the IPv6 of the OpenDNS servers and fill it up in TCP/IPv6 settings as well. Here in this video we skip it.
Once the DNS is set up, go to your OpenDNS account and then find the network which is already added. You can go to the settings page and then click on the network to open up the settings page. Here in the web content filtering, you can select either of high, medium, or low, or you may customize your filtering in the custom option. You can see that various groups have been prepared by the OpenDNS community for you to select and block from your network. In addition to this, there are options to always block or never block, and you can use these options to do either of the action on any website. You need to note that it takes hardly 3 minutes to start reflecting the changes in your network once you set up. And in order to monitor your network, you need to enable stats and logs. Once the same is enabled, you can see the details of internet activity in the stats page. In this short video, we have showed how to use CISCO OpenDNS to secure your internet activity from a Windows PC. You may note that similar setup can be done on a network router and other devices, including your mobile phones. For more educational content and tips, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.